If you're looking for an efficient and reliable way to prepare fiber optic drop cables, this award-winning tool is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fiber optic technician, installer, or anyone working with fiber optic cables, this video is for you. Today we're discussing a tool that'll make your cable prep faster and easier. The patented and award-winning FOD-2000 fiber optic drop cable slitter from Jonard Tools. This tool was made specifically for slitting flat fiber optic drop cables, making it perfect for telecom and data network installations. And the best part? Its unique design allows you to slit both sides of the cable jacket simultaneously, allowing easy access to fiber or strength members. This streamlines your workflow and ensures clean, precise cuts every single time. To use the FOD-2000, first position the cable in the tool's opening so it's secure within the V-shaped guide. Next, align the tool at the starting point of where you want it to make the slit. Now simply pull the FOD-2000 along the length of the cable. You'll see both sides of the jacket open as you go, revealing the inner fibers without causing any damage. The FOD-2000 can also perform a mid-span slit on flat fiber drop cable. Accomplish this by pulling the tool apart at the hinge. Place the two halves of the tool over the cable where you want the slit and snap it back together. Pull along the length of the cable where you want the access and remove the tool from the cable by again pulling it apart at the hinge. Then you can use a diagonal plier or scissors to finish the mid-span slit. Mission accomplished. The FOD-2000 comes assembled with two cutting blades which can be reversed once worn, meaning you can keep this tool in peak condition without needing to replace the entire unit. In addition, replacement blades are sold separately under the part number FOD-RB25. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.